Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be continuing with Grand Plie by going over the port de bras sequences that we use with it. So if you haven't seen the lessons on Grand Plie and port de bras, then be sure to check them out. These port de bras sequences are called En Dehors and En Dedans, or clockwise and counterclockwise. So, starting off, we have En Dehors, our clockwise sequence. Starting in second position port de bras, we'll bring our arms down to en bas, then up to first, and back out to second. En Dehors. Next, for En Dedans, or counterclockwise, we'll start in second position again. From here, lift your port de bras into fifth position, then first, and then back to second. There's your En Dedans. Easy, right? It's important to remember that these are both fluid motions, not stopping these positions. Now, there are a few more tricks to Grand Plie, so next time we'll be going over how it looks in each of our 5 positions. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.